Welcome to the second block of the day. Mondays, remember, 3 different blocks. English, math, and we finish with science. Yeah? Super. Math. Let's turn our heads into math now. I know this is not easy. It's the same as school, really. This isn't that different from school. We have to change our heads into the different things we need to see. So, now, with your hands, turn your knob right here on your head and turn it into math, please. Yeah? Ready? Good. Okay. Which was the most important thing we saw last week? Which we'll keep on seeing for a long time. Yeah? Okay. Place value. Super. Very, very important thing for numbers. Why, miss? Why is it important? Why so necessary? Yeah, I know, it's super necessary, guys. Thanks to this, knowing this, we can put numbers into positions, we can put numbers into places, which gives us the answer to different things. Yeah? You remember that last week we saw this? Units, tens, and hundreds. Yeah? And we had a number. Yeah, remember that one? I've got a whole number. Each number has 1, 2, 3 digits. Each digit, remember that name. Remember in 3rd grade now, we start speaking with proper vocabulary, okay? Each digit is in a place. In a place. I'm in a place right now. You guys are in a place as well, I'm sure. Maybe sitting down at the table or on a sofa or something like that. You're in a place. And that place for these digits gives them a value, an amount. Yeah? So, how much is this digit worth if it's in the units place? Aha. That guy is worth 9. No more, no less. Yeah? What about this 6 in the tens place? Yeah? We've got 6 tens. So this guy in this place is a 60. Because it's 6 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 60. And this 7 in the hundreds place, again, let's do it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and 700. Super. 700. So, this whole number altogether is 769. Yeah? Got it? Good. Now we're going to change a little bit. We're going to leave this just a little bit on the side, but not completely hidden, because we still need to use it for what we're going to see today. And I'm sure you know how to do this already, because it's not something new for you. What if I give you this to do? +7 plus 7. Yeah, the answers are right there, right? Miss Kim, obviously. The answers are right here. I need to add. What do I need to add? Well, of course, the first number, I need to add it with the second number, right? Yeah, sounds simple, sounds super easy. But now, I need you to do it in a different way to this. I need you to do it in the vertical way. Standing up like a column, yeah? Instead of doing it to the side, we need to do it downwards. So, first I write biggest number. And under the biggest number, I write the next number, which is a 7. Where should this 7 go? I've got the units and I've got the tens. Where should I put it? In what column should it go? Yes, it should go in the units column, right? Okay, let's do it all together. 7 plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. What do I do with this 14? Can I put it complete here? No, I can't, right? Again, place value. I've got a unit and I've got a 10. So, where does the unit go? Exactly, it goes under the units. Yeah? And what about the tens one? Does it go here in the answer? No, because I haven't finished yet. I can't put it straight away there because it's not ready. I have to put it on the top of the tens. So, now I go to the tens. 7 plus nothing. 7 plus this one up here. 8. Yeah? Again, as I've said before, if you've got the places clear, everything will be fine. If you need to do the chart, do it. That's why the chart exists. That's why the chart is there. Draw it, make it, mark it. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another addition. Then we're getting into subtraction, guys. So let's go step by step. Let's go to a more difficult one. Let's go to 112 plus 12. What about this one? Remember, we need to do it vertically, like a column, standing up. Yeah? So if they give us this, we have to turn it into the other way. Yeah? So, remember, always biggest number on the top. 112 plus 12. Let's do our super chart to help us. Units, tens, hundreds now. Now we've gone into hundreds. Does this guy have hundreds? No, he doesn't have hundreds. He just has units and tens. So, units and tens. Yeah? Great. Now we're going to do what they tell me to do. 2 plus 2 is 4. Fantastic. We go to the tens. 1 plus 1 is 2. Super. And 1 plus nothing? Here there's nothing. We don't have any number or any digit there. So it's just the 1, right? And my answer is 124. Please, remember what I always tell you. Maybe not at home right now, but at school, you guys have a copybook that is like this. You've got squares in it, yes or no? So for you guys, it's easy to put it in order. Each number in a square and in the correct place you need to put it in. Yeah? For you, it's much easier. That's why on whiteboards or on white paper, I suggest, and it's much better, if you do the chart. Because that chart will line them up for you. We'll put them one underneath the other one, just like we need them. Yeah? Now let's go to subtractions. I know we haven't practiced this much yet, but don't worry. From here on, we will start practicing addition and subtraction. In the end, the idea is that most additions and most subtractions are mentally. No writing down. Obviously, the big numbers, we will write them down. But for example, next time if I say 19 plus 7, it has to be from here. Yeah? We'll go training our brains to be able to do mental math. Yeah? Apart from written math. Let's go to subtraction. I was already forgetting, you see. What if I've got 57 minus 5? Remember, I need it in the other position. Yeah. Let's do it. 57 minus, well done, 5. Let's do our chart. Units and tens. Yeah? We always, children, please write it in your heads. Yeah? Always. We start from the units to the tens, to the hundreds, to the thousands, to the 10,000s, and so on. But our starting point for any exercise, addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever, we start from the units on. Yeah? Okay. So, 7 minus 5. Good. 2. That's an easy one. And 5 minus nothing? Exactly. 5. This was an easy subtraction. Very fast subtraction. Let's go to one that is a little bit more complicated. What if I've got 69? No. Let's go. 61 better minus 8. First of all, we turn our subtraction into a vertical subtraction. A column, right? So, 61 minus 8. Don't forget about our chart. This chart is not an obligation for you guys to do. Only if you need it, do it. Use it. Maybe some of you need it. Maybe all of you need it. I don't know. Yeah? You have to see if you need it, you use it. If you don't need it, you don't. Yeah? Okay. 1 minus 8. Can I take 8 away from 1? No, I can't. So what do I do? If I've got 1 chocolate and somebody says, Kim, I need 8 chocolates. Can you give me 8? Well, no, I can't. I just have only 1. Yeah? What if Miss Fran or Miss Ivana comes here and says, Miss Kim, I need to borrow 8 whiteboard erasers. Sorry, I can't lend you 8. I only have 1. Can we get 8 out of here? No, we can't. Yeah? But I've got a neighbor. I'm not alone. And my neighbor is in the tens position. Does he have something to lend me? Yeah, he does. But my neighbor doesn't lend by ones because he's not in the ones position. So he can't lend me 1. How many does he have to lend me? Aha! He has to lend me 10. And if he lends me 10, he's not a 60 anymore. He's a 50. He's a 5 because he lent me 10. And if he gave me 10 and I'm a 1, what number am I now? Aha! I'm an 11. The 10 they borrowed me, they lent me, plus my 1. I'm an 11. And now, can I take 8 away from 11? Yes, I can, right? And how much is that? Good job, guys. 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. Super. And what about this guy in the tens place? What has he, how much is left for him? He used to be a 60, but he gave 10 away, so he's not a 60 anymore. He's a 50 now. So, What digit do I have to put in the tens position? Exactly. I have to put a 5. 5 tens and 3 ones. And that makes a 53. Well done. Let's go to another one. And then it's time for you to practice alone at home. This time, you won't have to do worksheets. There's a game for you to play where you will have to practice adding and subtracting. Yeah? So, let's go to another one. What if I've got 59 minus 8? This is another easy one. Let's go slowly. First, I need to do it vertically, right? So I need my chart, ones and tens, minus 8. Fantastic. Can I do 9 minus 8? Can I take away 8 from 9? Yes, I can. He has enough to give me. So if I take away 8 from 9, I've got 1 left. Yeah? And what about the tens? Do I have to take anything away from this 5? I have nothing to take away from this 5. So I just bring that 5 down. So my complete answer now is 51. Yeah? And now, yes, I promise, super promise, this is the last one. I've got 32 minus 9. Well done. Put it in the way of a column. Miss Kim, where's your chart? Sorry, I forgot. Right here. Good. Can I take away 9 from 2? Can I give you 9 chocolates if I've only got 2? No, I can't. What do I have to do? Neighbor, please help me, neighbor. Right? Does my neighbor have anything to help me with? Yeah, he has. He has 3 whole tens. Yeah? So, neighbor, can you lend me some? Sure, no problem. I can give you 10. But I'm not a 3 anymore. I'm a 2 now. Because I just gave you 10. Yeah? Now, I am a 12. And can I take 9 away from 12? Yes, I can. And that is 3. Super. Does this 2 have any 10s to take away? No, he doesn't. So we just bring him down. And my answer is 23. Good. As long as you put all the digits in the column that they correspond, everything will be fine, guys. Yeah? Remember, math, we always need to double check our work. So, I do it, I write it, I solve it, and I double check it. Okay? So, bye. Enjoy your day. See you in science class. Bye, guys. Love you.